Hi, I'm Chloe with Green Acres Nursery and Supply, and today we're going to be talking about bulb basics. There are many reasons why bulbs are amazing, but the first one is because they're so incredibly easy. There are 2 seasons for planting bulbs. Plant in fall for spring bloomers, or plant now in the winter time for summer bloomers. All you have to do is dig a hole according to the package instructions, which is typically 2 times the length of the bulb, and then just drop your bulb in. You're gonna wanna make sure the head is facing up, but if you can't tell which side is which, just put it in sideways and you're done. Not only are bulbs easy, but bulbs like dahlias, lilies, peonies, and tulips give you a huge show of color in your garden. Another thing that makes bulbs so amazing is they're the most economical way to get these amazing plants. A package averages about $6, which is cheaper than any bouquet you can get from the store. Bulbs are excellent for cut flower gardens as well. They have nice long narrow stems with big beautiful blooms, making them perfect for bouquets. I also just love the magic of bulbs. After planting them, you can pretty much just forget about them, and it's always an amazing surprise when they start popping up in your garden. And for this reason, they're also an amazing activity to get your kids involved in. They're super hard to mess up, and you get a huge payout of color in the end. When planting your bulbs, any nice planting mix, like the Greenall planting mix that we sell here at Green Acres, works. We also sell an amazing organic bulb food by E.B. Stone that you can sprinkle in when planting to encourage nice strong roots and big beautiful blooms. Once your bulb has completed its bloom cycle, you're gonna wanna let it soak back all the nutrients back into the bulb, waiting until the foliage is completely brown and dead before cutting back. Here in the Sacramento Valley, you can leave your bulbs in the ground if you cover them with a nice mound of mulch or soil, and then they'll come back next year even fuller. We hope this video has helped to answer any of your bulb questions. Come and visit us at our nursery, and any of our expert staff can help answer any of your questions you may have left. For more videos like these, subscribe to our channel, and we're always available to you at idiggreenacres.com. Happy planting!